Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Those new stompers are looking pretty good, huh? I like them. Blue and orange, looking good. I like the bright colors. This is my week 21 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. And if this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video. And also click that subscribe button so you can get notified of any new videos. And please follow me on all the social links in the description below. Yeah, you should also binge watch all the previous videos so you can get caught up. There's been a lot of them, so ups and downs and lots of fun stuff. So you should definitely please get me some watch hours. All right, so my total weight loss last week was 4.4 pounds. That's a good chunk. Total of 58.2 pounds lost in 20 weeks. I'm super happy with that, so I'm not going to complain at all. But let's see if I make it to 60 pounds this week. That's the next goal, is to lose 60 pounds. So on Wednesday, I did 7,432 in steps. I didn't go to Hooterville this week, so I was a good boy on Wednesday. I only ate 1,633 in calories, and I didn't drink any alcohol. And remember, you can see everything that I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary. And the link is in the description, so you can see all the crap that I eat every day. So on to Thursday, I weighed in at 282.4 pounds pre-poo. No change here from yesterday. It's the same. So same as yesterday, nothing changed. Don't know why, but it happens. But I did 10,192 steps, and I went a little overboard on calories. I did 2,470 in calories, but I went out with my friend Angie to a place in Sanford called The Alley to see a cover band. It's just some friends that play in a cover band, which they were awesome. But is that one of those dive bars with all the fun graffiti everywhere and pretty much social distancing wasn't really an option. You'd probably get your ass kicked if you wore a mask. So either way, I left before it got too packed up, and we tried to stay towards the back away from everybody for the most part, but it is what it is there. I don't think they care too much about the laws. Either way, Friday, I weighed in at 285 pounds pre-poo. My weight went up immediately, right after a drinking day, that's a first, because normally, it didn't wait until the second day like normal, but I did only just drink beer last night, and only IPAs, or mostly IPAs to boot. So, and I also ate a lot of pork rinds and fried okra. It must be the okra, because I don't remember the last time I ate okra, so that's got to be it. We're just going to blame it on the okra, because that's the only thing odd that I ate, and it didn't do the normal 2 days thing. So either way, I did steps of 7,959, and I took it easy and only ate 1,202 calories because of what I did the night before. So on to Saturday. Saturday, I weighed in at 284.2 pounds pre-poo. Did 8,733 steps and consumed 1,438 in calories. And on to Sunday, I weighed in at 283.6 pounds pre-poo. Going down. I did 9,253 in steps, and I ate 1,911 in calories. And then on to Monday, I weighed in at 283 pounds flat pre-poo. I did 7,959 in steps and ate 1,707 in calories. And Tuesday, I weighed in at 282 pounds flat pre-poo. That's just 1 pound down. And then I did 8,559 in steps and ate 1,330 in calories. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning weighing in at 281 pounds flat pre-poo. So this went 83, 82, 81. So 281 is what we ended on. So here's my stats for week 21. You can pause the video to look them over, but I did steps totaling 60,087. And as far as calories go, I ate 11,691 for week 21. And my total weight loss during week 21 was 1.4 pounds. That's a total of 59.6 pounds in 21 weeks. No, I didn't get to 60 pounds this week, but it'll be here next week, I hope. So stay tuned, because I will get fit by 50 and I will lose 100 plus pounds. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.